What's up, guys? Welcome back and welcome back to work. I'm Dr. Tan, and today we're going to unbox the Hero Loupes. So check this out. We have this nice aluminum case, very nice smooth finish with Hero Loupes logo on the front there, and has some chrome as well as a handle for you to carry around. Very lightweight. Let's open it up. Inside we see an instruction manual. This goes over the bone conduction and instructions on how to use the functions of the eyewear. We'll put that aside. We also have a business card. And here we have the Hero light. The Hero light is nicely tucked in there. We have our tool that's located on the right side here, and that's to help mount it onto our loupes. We'll put this aside. And here we have the Hero Loupes. The Hero Loupes have ear fins already attached to them, and they can be slid up and down to the appropriate position for the user. Very nice. And it comes with head straps. We're going to install them onto our eyewear. And we loop that around. There you go. There's a knob that you can use to tighten your head strap. So in the next compartment, we have the USB converter. This allows you to connect to your other portable battery chargers. Then you have the battery, and you have 2 slots in the case in case you get an extra battery in the future. In the next package, you have a composite filter, a light mount, a wire clip, and 2 O-rings to help connect your Hero light to your Hero Loupes. You also get a pair of earplugs. In the last compartment, you have a very high quality micro USB cable to help charge your battery and your eyewear. All right, that's the unboxing of the Hero Loupes. We'll see you at our next video. Thank you.